I have been craving for this pasta for quite some time now. On this very day, when I went to drop Bianca in kindergarten, then I said to myself, why don't I just go to supermarket and pick some certain things that I want to use to prepare this delicious food. So I want to show you how I prepare this food. So after I came back from the supermarket, where I went to get my chicken breast, my carrots, my green beans, my broccoli, those are the main thing. So I chopped the chicken breast and I also put a little chopped onions. I added one seasoning cube and a teaspoon of curry powder. Then I added half teaspoon of thyme. So what I'm adding now is optional. You can add more to yours or you can remove from what I'm using. It's optional. Do you? Okay. So I added salt to taste, and I added soy sauce. All these things, the measurements will be in the comment section. So after I added everything, I just sprinkle a little black pepper. So I didn't want to make it too hot so my kids can enjoy it very well. We all know most kids we have here in Europe, they don't like pepper. So that is why sometimes I use black pepper, most especially when it comes to pasta like this that I really want them to enjoy. I don't put much pepper. But when it's maybe soup or any African dishes, yeah, then I can add pepper. They will be prepared like when they are eating African dishes, they will know that they are eating pepperish food. We all know how it is now. So after I added everything to this chicken breast, I just stir it together. Then I just went ahead to heat my oil and I added the chopped onions that I think I chopped about two medium size of onions. So while doing this, I put water in the other side for the water to getting hot for me to boil my um to cook my pasta. All right. So after I put the chicken, I stir it a little. Then I'm adding my green beans. So if you don't like green beans, you must not add it. So this is how I just feel like how I want to prepare it. This is how I was craving for it, and I just want everything that I want. I don't want to anything to be left out. So, but one thing was still left out, and yeah, but I could do it without it. So I will be telling you guys about it later on. So after I added everything, I added my broccoli to it and I cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes because I don't want to work my vegetable too much. I just want it to be half done. So now this pasta take just 2 minutes to cook. I cook this pasta for just 2 minutes. Even it was almost even getting soft at that 2 minutes that I used. So after this time, 2 minutes, I took it out and I added this cream. This is the main thing. I just added this cream. So I added one and I stirred it. I said that it was not enough. So I had to add because I bought 2 packs. So I added half of the other pack and then I got the exact what I was looking for. So like this, just like so. Then I added the pasta to it. I stir it, guys. It doesn't only look delicious. It tastes so good. So before I started cooking this food, I had already prepared my turkey wings. As I'm making this food right now, my turkey wing is drying in the oven. So that is what I want to put at the side of the food later. So what I say I miss in this food is shrimps. I would have loved to have like just some pieces of shrimps in it. So I was not having it at home and I forgot to buy. I said, okay, shrimps is not going to stop me from preparing this food today. I have to prepare it because I have been like, I really want to eat this kind of food. As I'm talking to you right now, I feel like jumping to my kitchen right now to prepare this kind of food again and eat it. So next time I want going to prepare something like this, I will make sure I have shrimps at home. So guys, you can either add, you know, to your recipe, just use you, do you, Use the recipe that you feel like is okay for you. Just this thing now, when I added carrot and everything, this just how I want it to just be. Look at what I prepared now. Everything just perfect and it tastes so good. So look at the broccoli. I just want you guys to see that the broccoli is so half done. That is why you see me breaking it for you to know that the broccoli is not cooked at all. Like, I don't want it to cook. I just want it to be crunchy. So tell me what you think. Do you like this food? Will you prepare it? I want to know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.